Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your license and the permitted frequency because legal compliance prevents fines and interference. Next, mount the antenna where it has a clear line of sight and solid grounding since that lowers noise and improves efficiency. Once done, connect a regulated power supply with correct polarity and fuse protection, then set the transmitter to low power. These first actions establish a safe, measurable baseline so every subsequent tuning step has consistent conditions and known inputs. You now focus on tuning and impedance matching because efficient transfer maximizes range and prevents damage. Start into a dummy load and measure output, stability, and any spurious emissions. Do not radiate yet. Then adjust the antenna tuner and transmitter match until SWR is under 1. 5. Once almost power reaches the antenna, make sure to set modulation and audio gain carefully to avoid overdrive, and engage low-pass filters to remove harmonics, which keeps your signal clean and legal. You finish by increasing power in small steps while monitoring VSWR and temperature because thermal stress and reflected power cause failures. Once stable, conduct a range and signal quality check from intended locations and log frequency, power, and SWR for future reference. Secure all RF connectors and enclose electronics to protect against weather and vibration. If something goes wrong, immediately switch back to the dummy load, re-verify grounding and cable integrity, and remeasure SWR to isolate the fault before further operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.